Today I want to give you a first-hand look at this really cool rock tumbler sent over to us from KoolStone. Now my son was really excited when we got this sent over, and I just wanted to kind of show you everything that's inside the box here and just kind of show you how to set everything up, because this is about a 4-week process, and I just want to do a video for each week just to kind of show you the progress as we go along. So first off, when you open it up, you're going to get the base here, you get the rock tumbler itself, you get 4 different polishing grits, and the ceramic media here. You also get a strainer, a couple extra replacement belts, and jewelry fasteners for when all the gemstones are completely polished up. So let's just kind of go through step by step and set this up. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up the tumbler here. We're going to take this off, take the metal plate, and just open this up. You can see it's empty on the inside. We're going to throw our stones in here. So we're going to take one of each one. These are all the different types of stones that they give you. And they give you a couple of the extra, the same ones. So we're just going to do one of each one. So we have all those in there just like that. Now we're going to take the step 1 coarse grit here. We're going to open this up, place this on the inside. So the powder on the inside is like a black grainy grit color here. We're just going to pour that on the inside. And then we're going to want to add the ceramic media here. You're just going to place that right on the inside, just like that. We're going to fill it up with water, just covering the top of the rocks. And then we're going to just make sure that we seal this up really good. Just kind of reverse the steps that we did. Put this on nice and secure. Tighten it back up, making sure it's really tight on there. After that, you're going to want to check the instructions. And since this is the first week, you're going to use grit number 1, like I said. And that goes for about 4 to 6 days. So once you turn this on, you can actually set the days on this side and the speed. The speed on the first time, we're going to want speed number 3. So we can set this, put this on here, hit our power button, go 6 days on speed number 3. And it may be a good idea when you do turn this on to maybe put this in your basement or your garage, just so it's not going to disturb you, especially at night when you're trying to sleep. And other than that, you just let it go, and after those few days, it'll shut off automatically for you. And then you just move on to the next step. So as you can see, it's really easy to set up. It comes with everything that you need to get started. And this is a 4-week process, so you're going to want to prepare accordingly. So just to make sure that your kids don't get too excited, and it's not going to be just something that's instantaneous for them. It's going to be something that they have to work towards, just a goal for them to look forward to. Overall, this looks like a really cool rock tumbler. We're really excited to see how it progresses throughout these weeks here. And we're just going to keep you updated as it goes along. Thanks for watching.